Yeah.
That's why you're recording me right now, aren't
Well, I just turned it on right now. So, but I wanted to get your permission.
you? Yes, you have my permission.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, Alicia, how long have you worked here?
Going on 4 years.
4 years. Okay, we've known you a long time then. Anyways, we want to do something a little bit fun today. It's called the 5 questions contest. Okay, so we're going to ask you 5 questions, and each answer that you get correct, we're going to give you $100. Are you up for it?
I am up for it.
Okay.
I'm probably going to get all of them wrong.
Your first question, all right, is what, I got to remember to look at this. What American state has the most land mass?
The most land mass.
Land mass.
I will say, let me think about that.
They're really not trick questions, so whatever you think is probably is.
Yeah. How long do I get to answer it?
Oh, there's no time limit.
No time limit. I'm gonna say Virginia.
Now, you sure about that? Look at the state you come from.
Yeah, but that's not even.
Texas.
Yeah, and there's something bigger than Texas. Up north, way north.
Colorado.
Farther north.
Wyoming.
Farther north.
Montana. Washington.
Keep going.
Yeah, really.
Go across the sea. It is across Canada.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Starts with an A. We bought it from Russia. And the Bering Strait is up there.
Alaska.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, so you've thought about a lot of different states. Which one is your answer?
Well, obviously.
Obviously it's Alaska.
Okay.
But I didn't win.
Yeah, well, you did as far as I'm concerned.
Oh my gosh,
So-
stop.
So we're just going to set this out right here.
Okay.
All right, so we can see what kind of prize money you end up with. All right.
This is his version of let's make a deal.
So let's ask another question. You ready for another question?
Yeah, sure.
All right. Question number 2 is, what animal is the only marsupial found in the United States?
Hold on, I know this one. A possum.
That's correct.
See, now this is a legit win.
So now you got $200. Now we're going to put our order in, and then we'll come back and do some more questions in a little bit, all right?
The others are easier.
So, let's see. Question number 3. Oh, I know you'll get this one. It's not too hard.
Okay.
How many days are in an Earth year?
365.
Yes, you got that. Now, do you happen to know, you got the answer correct,
Yeah.
but it's actually 365.25,
I won.
right?
Okay.
That's why we have the leap year
Yeah.
every 4 years.
Yeah.
So,
That's interesting.
That doesn't count either.
oh no, you got it right. So here's another $100 you've won in our 5 questions contest. So we're going to go on to question number 4. All right. And question number 4 is, in what month does summer end?
Pretty straightforward.
And maybe I should say for our area.
Why? Why is it different?
I would say the official day is in September.
September. You got question number 4 correct. So you got another $400, or another $100. There's $400 here, yeah. So we got one more question left, but we're going to save that and ask that at the very end here, okay?
Okay.
All right. All right, so we got our final question here. And it's going to be a tough one, no doubt about it. So the question is what rock group has a name matching two different types of voltage.
ACDC?
Yes, you got that question right. So, here's the $100 for the final question. So, you've won in this contest. It's a gift, $500. All right, that's yours to keep. But if you want, you can give me that $500 back, and you could take what's in this envelope instead.
I'm gonna do the envelope.
You're going to do the envelope. Okay.
I'm very curious.
He's got a nice little note for you.
Okay, a note of consolation.
No, he says that because he's here.
Do I get to open it now?
Oh, sure, if you like.
Let's see.
That's what he says. Reminds me of Let's Make a Deal.
Well, that's not our intention. Our intention is to bless you here. So, yeah.
That was beautiful.
Good. You remember us for a long time. Thank you. Love you.
You're the best.
You made a difference for us.
Yeah.
Too, so.